grams yogurt, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons sugar, 2 tablespoons baking powder, 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Mix well. Rest for 1 minute. 500 grams all-purpose flour, water as per required. Knead a soft dough. One teaspoon cooking oil. Rest for 2 hours. 1 tablespoon cooking oil. 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic. Cook for 1 minute. 250 grams boneless chicken. Cook on medium flame until color changes. ½ teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon oregano, 1 tablespoon roasted and crushed cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon peri-peri sauce. Mix well. Cover and cook on low flame for 8 minutes. Cook until water dries out. Divide in 8 parts. Pizza sauce. Prepared chicken. Pizza cheese. Grease the pan. Apply cooking oil. Cover and cook on low flame for 8 to 10 minutes. Change the side. Pizza cheese. Sprinkle chili flakes. Cover and cook on low flame for 8 minutes.